ready. Doctor ready.
Okay, well, I'll be over there in a second, people. I love filming when I go to anywhere, basically, just fun. Oh, I just set myself down here. Okay. Man, I gotta put on makeup someday. Okay, doctor, what's first? Okay, doctor, what's next? Oh, doctor. Okay, doctor, do I get my prize now?
Yes.
A baseball! A baseball!
Give it at me.
I hate the doctors! You better run. You better run. Never go to the doctors, kids.